Among them was the late Right Honorable Raila Odinga, a stalwart of our country's democratic journey, who left us just under 2 months ago. Raila devoted his life to the pursuit of freedom, justice, and peaceful coexistence. His courage, resilience, and unwavering belief in the power of the people shaped defining chapters of our national story and inspired generations to believe that change is possible. I now respectfully urge all of us to join me in observing a 1 minute of silence in honor and remembrance of the Honorable Raila Odinga and honor his sacrifice, service, and enduring legacy. Tafadhali na waomba tusimame kwa dakika moja kwa heshima ya kiongozi wetu Raila Odinga.